Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been so long, I forgot what my intro was. Today we will crochet this stitch. It's a very easy stitch for the beginners especially. We are only using double crochets and chains. So this is I would call this is the right side and this is the wrong side, but obviously you can design it however you want. It's a repeat of only 2 rows. You can also use up all your leftover yarn and make each row or each 2 rows different colors. I think it will look super nice, and it looks really good with a solid color. The yarn I'm using is cotton yarn from Hobby Lobby. I think with cotton the stitches are a little more defined and you can see them a little better. And I'm using a 5mm hook. And without any further ado, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell, grab your yarn, crochet hook, and let's get to work. This stitch calls for multiples of 8 plus 7 at the end. So here I have 31. The first row will be very easy, the basic. We will double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet in it, and then we will put 1 double crochet in each stitch till you reach the end of the row. This is row number 1. Chain 3, that counts as a double crochet. Skip 1, V-stitch into the next. V-stitch is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the same stitch or into the designated stitch. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, 5 double crochets into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 3, V-stitch into the next. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and again skip 3, 5 double crochets into the next. This is how you will go all the way till the end, alternating V stitches and 5 double crochet fan. At the end you will be left with 2 stitches. Skip the next one, double crochet into the last stitch. That is our 3rd chain from the beginning. And this is how it looks like. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet. And now we will put 1 double crochet into each stitch and chain. So double crochet into the next stitch, into the chain 1 space, into the next stitch, 1 in each of the next. Basically, like I said, 1 double crochet into each stitch and chain until you reach the end. So now when you look at your design, the amount of these double crochets should equal the amount of your base row. And now we will be just repeating the 2 rows, the 2nd and 3rd, back and forth, back and forth. It's a very easy stitch. Chain 3 counts as a double crochet. Skip 1, V-stitch into the next, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, 5 double crochets into the next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 3, V-stitch into the next. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And now when you look, you can see they are right on top of each other. Again, very easy way to make sure or to check if you are following the pattern correctly. And carry on till the end. Everything is aligned. Now we turn and we'll repeat the third row. Chain 3 counts as our double crochet, and 1 double crochet in each stitch and chain across. And again, this row, the amount of double crochets should equal to this and should equal to this. And into the last, and this row is done like so. And now you will keep repeating rows 2 and 3 until you reach the desired length of the project. And this is what we are looking at after a couple of rows complete. So I would call this the right side, since the double crochets are facing us and the base row is facing us. And this is the wrong side, where the shells or the design. But it's up to you how you want to use it. I think it's a really nice stitch and it's very easy to do. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. Let me know in the comments what other type of stitches you would like to see. More simple ones or a little more complicated ones. I will read all your comments and see what I can come up with. Y'all have a great day. Bye.